All right, we are live. This is a tech test, as it is labeled. Haven't been on here in a long time. My equipment hasn't been set up for YouTube in a long time, and I'm testing to see how it all works. If anybody happens to jump in here and jump in the chat room, that's fine too. But I'm not expecting anyone to jump in. So what we are looking at right now is my main video feed. And I am talking on my main microphone, which is right here. You can't see it below the camera. What I'm going to do now is switch to my secondary network feed. Now this is confusing because to me it looks reversed, but I don't think it's actually reversed for you. That will be the main question. Open up Notepad. I don't want Notepad++. I want regular Notepad. And I have to drag it over here. This is a test. And you can see how well I can type. How does it look? Cool. All right, so we will leave this here. I've not gotten used to these yet. I don't know about anybody else. I've used them a few times, but they're mostly in the way, and I haven't bothered looking for a way to disable them yet. All right, so that's option number one, and I'm doing that with my video mixer that's down here. This is sounding a little harsh in my ears. Let's try that. So alternatively, I want to see how I could share my screen instead of my camera. So do I have an option to do that, to share my main screen, which is right in front of me? I should really move this over here. All right. So now my monitor view of myself is over here. Still nobody in the chat, which is not surprising. Participants, nobody has jumped on yet. So let's see if there is a way to change, expand menu. I don't have access to this feature, whatever that feature is, manage. I can mute myself, which is not that useful. Share, here we go. This doesn't seem to be, it's like sharing a link inside my live. Oh, it shares my live stream with other, like on social media, which I do not want to do right now. I can end the stream. I can edit the stream. If I edit it live, what do I want to go live? And then webcam. So it seems like I am stuck on my webcam for the duration of this based on how I picked it. Which is fine because my webcam is actually a video mixer, which then I can switch back and forth between without any problems. So I will just be operating off of my secondary screen for the duration of this, is what it seems like is the case. So that means for the most part, I would be looking over here for whatever it is that I'm talking about and showing and doing. I don't love that. I think I want to switch it up to be my main screen, so then my eyes are at least more in line with the camera, but we'll have to wait and see. So let's pretend that that's the case for now. There I am looking straight ahead, and then I can glance down as I need to with whatever it is I'm looking at. And one of the things I want to know is how good is the noise reduction on YouTube? Previously, I've done these things, recording the audio directly into Adobe Audition, and I'm wondering if I could just skip that, get the audio right into YouTube, and then strip the audio off the video and upload it from a podcast. So this is part of it. How loud is that, right? Is that a big deal? There's obviously the keyboard aspect, right? So super loud. And then there's things like that, right, where I have to clear my throat or take a drink. Is that going to be super, super hot into the mic, or is YouTube's audio dampening features automatically going to take care of that? Yeah, I think that's it for this tech test. Let me do the mute. And now I should be back. So part of the question is my voice in sync with my video, or is the setup I have a little bit delayed, causing problems there? So that's it for this tech test.